Hi, hello and welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of the last video, tokens. Those who have not yet seen that video, go and see it so that you can understand this video better. Okay, let's go into the topic. In this video, we are going to see in detail about operators, delimiters and literals. First, let's see about what an operator is and types of operators in Python. In any programming language, operators are the special symbols that are used to perform computational, conditional matching, etc. For example, in the expression a plus b, here plus is the operator, a and b are the operands. Values or variables when used with operator are known as operands. In Python, operators are categorized as arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. Come, let's see these operators one by one. First, let's begin with arithmetic operator. An arithmetic operator is a mathematical operator that takes two operands and perform a calculations on them. Arithmetic operators are used to perform simple arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So the symbols that are used to represent these operations are the arithmetic operators. Python supports the following arithmetic operators. These arithmetic operators, we are almost familiar with these symbols. So they are plus used for addition, minus used for subtraction, star used for multiplication, slash used as division, percentage used as modulus. This modulus is used to find the remainder in division. Plus used as exponent and double slash used for floor division. These are the symbols or operators used for arithmetic operations. Now let's see a simple Python program as an example with all these operators in a program. So let's assign a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 10 and perform arithmetic operations. Now let's execute this program. The output of the program is as we see in the screen. So this is the output we get from these arithmetic operators. Now we see about relational or comparative operator. So from the word comparative itself, we can get an idea about relational operator. When we want to compare two values or the value that is stored in variable, then we use this relational operators. So this relational or comparative operators are used when we compare the values of two numbers or variables. The result of the relational or comparative operator is true or false. The Python supports the following relational operators. Equal to, that is double equal to is used to check whether the two numbers or the value stored into variable is equal or not. Then greater than symbol, less than, greater than or equal to, less than equal to, and for not equal to we use an exclamatory mark and equal to, which means when we want to check the values stored into variables are not equal, then we use the symbol. So these are the symbols used for relational operators. Now let's see an example program with all these relational operator. So this is the program and now let's execute this program. While executing this program, it asks for value of a. Let enter 35. And again ask for value for b. Let's enter 56 for it. And the output for relational operator is either true or false according to the condition that we have given. So this is the output for the relational operator that we have given. Next we see about logical operators. When we want to compare two relational expressions, then the logical operators are used. So the result of this logical operator is also either true or false. So there are three logical operators and they are AND, OR and NOT. Now let's see a simple example program for logical operator and see its output. The result is also either true or false. Next we see about assignment operator. So as the word assign means whenever we want to assign a value to a variable, then we can use this assignment operator. So this assignment operator is used when we want to assign a value to a variable. So for example, if we want to assign a value 5 to a variable a, then we have to use equal to symbol. So we can represent it as a is equal to 5. Now if we want to calculate like a is equal to a plus 5, then we can cut short the expression as a plus equal to 5. So similarly we can use many operators as assignment operators, and they are minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, modulus equal to, double star equal to and double slash equal to. So whenever a same variable is added or divided or subtracted with a value, then we can cut short it as plus equal to or minus equal to, etc. So let's see an example program with this assignment operator. Next we are going to see conditional operator. Conditional operator is also called as ternary operator. This conditional operator evaluates based on a condition being true or false. Conditional operator can be used instead of an if-else statement. The syntax for conditional operator is, so it goes like variable is equal to on true if test expression, else on false. If the condition, the test expression is true, then the value given on true will be stored to variable name. If the test expression is false, then the else part on false value will be stored in a variable name. Now let's understand this better with an example program or an example expression. Min is equal to 50 if 49 greater than 50, else 70. Here the value for min will be based on the condition 49 greater than 50. As 49 is less than 50, the condition will be false. So the false value, that is the else part value 70, will be assigned to min. So these are all about different operators used in Python. Now let's see about delimiters. Delimiters are symbols and symbol combinations that are used in expression, list, dictionaries and string. Following are the delimiters used in Python. Now let's see the next topic, literals. Literal is a raw data given in a variable or constant. Various types of literals used in Python are numeric, string and boolean. Let's see them one by one. Numeric literals. Numeric literal consist of digits and they are immutable. The word immutable is the value once assigned cannot be changed. Numeric literal consists of three types: integer, float and complex. Next we see about string literals. String literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by single, double or triple quotes. Single or double quote string is considered as character literals. When we use a triple quoted string, it is considered as a multi-line string literals. So whenever we want to give more than one line as a value, then we can use this triple quote, then it is considered as a multi-line string literal. Next we see about boolean literals. So we know what boolean is. It is either true or false. Similarly, this boolean literals can have any of the two values, true or false. Next, the last topic in this video is the escape sequence. In Python string, the backslash is a special character which is used to represent certain white space characters. This backslash is also called as escape sequence. For example, the /t is used for a tab space. So whenever a /t is used in a program, few space is given. A default space, 8 space or something will be given. Similarly, when we use /n, it means a new line. So whenever we give a /n in a program, the output will be given in the next line. So /r is a carriage return. So it is equal to an enter key. So various escape sequence that are used in Python are shown in the diagram. So we have come to end of this video. So in this video we have discussed about operators and different types of operators, delimiters and literals. Hope you understood these basic concepts in Python. If you have any doubts in this topic, don't forget to ask in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and press the bell button for the notifications for new videos. And that's all for now. Let's see in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.